just got my nail box, my second one. See, you get the little welcome card with it. Tells you what's in it and what's it about. And this is what it looks like before we take this stuff out. You gotta be gentle. Okay, the first thing I see is these really, really super long press-on nails. And there's 24 in them. And 12 sizes. I kind of like those colors. Those are kind of nice. And see, that's what the other stuff looks like before I pull it out. So, let's see. We got 2 polygels. I'll show them one at a time now. It's a glitter. I think this one's a green cat mystery. There. To get it focused. There's that color. And then this one's glitter silver. Then we got a polish. It's List. And here's another polish. It's a pink glittery one. Looks like. And got another one. That one's going to be awesome for Christmas. And, oh, see, got a nail, the brush and the other thing on the end for the polygel. Show that to you in a minute. And look, these are going to be awesome for Christmas. The little glitters. Oh, yeah. Can't wait to use them. And then I'll show you guys now when I do them. But it will be a different day, not today. Okay. Now we're going to flip this around. See if I can figure out how to do it.